What I've done as a leader way too many times is I haven't wanted to hear the problems, frankly. Like even subtly, like I've given lip service, but I haven't really sat down and really listened to people and really asked them, like, what do you need? The question, I mean, we've asked it so many times in so many contexts, you and I, what do you need in order to do the best work of your life? What do you really need here?
Mhm.
And then really listen and answer, and then really doing our best to provide it. But what we're doing there also is we're demonstrating care, which I think is, again, going back to the emote, we're feeling machines that think, is the leader's job is to more than give good direction, more than to give a vision of the future, more than to give, like provide good tools and all of that, is really to express that we care about you, that I care about you as a human being, and that I'm willing to listen to you as a unique and special human being, given your unique background. And I'm willing to do what it takes in order to give you the situation and the circumstances you need in order to perform at your best.